BCCI has to select a committee of 5% to serve as their representative on the board of ICC. The committee must have 2 coaches and 3 players. Fine. So there are 2 coaches that you want and 3 players. The coaches that we have here is ABC. They are the coaches. And here it is DEFG. These are 5 coaches here that are available for selection. B and H cannot be selected together. So BH are not together. FG cannot be selected together. EH cannot be selected together. कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं तो पूछ लीजिए. So there are 2 coaches need to be selected and 3 players need to be selected by BCCI to send them for the ICC board. Fine. And the coaches that you need to select are from ABC and the 3 players are to be selected from DEFGH. Fine. B and H cannot be together. F and G cannot be together. E and H cannot be together. So what I take first case is if B is not selected, I'll say AC are selected here. First combination, 2 coaches. If AC are there, I hope you understand AC, AB, BC. These are the combinations which are going to come. These are the coaches to be selected. If AC is selected here. Okay, so there are no constraint because BH and so who is going to come here? I know out of F and G, one of them are going to come. Out of E and H, one of them are going to come. So 2 players are going to come there. Out of 4, 2 of the players are coming. And 1 more player is coming there. Okay, who is that one? Can I say out of D? Yes. So out of the 5 players, D is certainly going to come. Out of F and G, one of them to be selected. Out of E and H, one is to be selected. And D is certainly going to come there. Is that fine? So this is must and this is combinations here. So how many? 4 combinations are coming. FEH, FHD, GED, GHD. These are the combinations. Let's come to AB. H is not going to come. If H is not going to come, so I will say surely E is going to come. Okay, H nahi aa raha aapke paas. And out of F and G, one of them are going to come. And certainly D is going to come because H to aa nahi raha. So FG में से एक आएगा, E तो आना ही है, D को आना ही है. So 3 players are to be selected. So there are only 2 combinations. If BC are coming here, of course H will not come. So what are the possibility? I'll say again, E is certainly going to come here because B is not going to come with H. Okay, and E or H में से एक आना चाहिए, तो E तो आएगा ही आएगा. Out of F and G, one of them is going to come and D is certainly going to be there. So these are the combinations. There are 2 to 4 plus 4 is 8 combinations are coming there. Is it fine? Please ask if there is a doubt. For every possible acceptable selection of the committee representing BCCI on the ICC board, which of the following replacement will always result in another acceptable selection of the committee representing BCCI to the okay. So what can we replace? First is B4C. Look at this. If we are going to replace B4C, so it will come out to be AC. Fine. If you are replacing B4C, it is AC. I know all of these combinations are coming. बल्कि यहाँ पर H वाला combination नहीं है, तो वाला combination भी आ जाएगा. So can I say B can be replaced with C? This is correct. Can I replace F4E? F4E. No, I cannot replace. If I'm replacing F4E, so you know, then H will not be coming and D is certainly going to come. So only 2 players are to be selected. Listen here. If F is selected, E is selected, and D is selected. I hope you can see FET. If I replace B with C, I'm saying F and E get interchanged. No, that is not possible because out of F and G, one is going to come. Out of E and H, one is going to come. I cannot replace them. Fine. So that is unacceptable. So B for C can be possible, but not this. What for F for G? Can I exchange F for G? No, F for G, if we are going to exchange. No, not necessary. If you are going to exchange F for G, I can say yes, that is also a possible combination. Just a second. Yeah, we can do it with F for G is also a possible combination. I can say yes. For B for A, if I'm putting BC, you know, then in that case H is coming. देखिए सुनिएगा, AC आ रहा है और combination आ रहा है FET. If you replace C with, I think it is A with B. If you replace A with B, it is BC which is coming here. With BC, can it be FED? Yes, I can say it is FED. Is that fine? So AC, it is also coming with a G. But can I take GHD? Listen here, the first combination. AC is coming here. It is FHD are also coming. If I'm going to replace A with B, can I say it is BC? But in that case, FG, FHD are not possible because with BC, H is not coming. Fine. So I'll say no, this is not acceptable. ये acceptable नहीं है. एक बार दोबारा B4C देखिए. Just check out B4C. If I'm going to replace B4C, the combination remains same. देखिएगा दोनों का same combination आ रहा है. So B4C is also coming out to be correct. No, okay. AB, it is coming out to be E, F and G में से एक and D. If you are replacing it with C, I know E is coming here. Out of F and G, one is coming here. Even that is also replaced. Sorry, not possible because of B4C. Okay. Just a second. I think there's some confusion. B4C.
So actually, we have to replace C. We'll take the AC part and then we'll have to replace it with B.
We have to replace B to C or C to B? Acha, B for C.
B
Sorry.
for C, yes.
Okay, yes. We can certainly replace B to C, but we cannot replace C to B. The reason is when C is coming, even H is a combination that is going to come. So when you are replacing B for C or C to B is same thing. So in that case, it is not an acceptable combination because with B, H is not going to come. So that's why the first one will not be answered. Sorry, it is B for C. Means C is going to interchange with B. I know with C, H is going to come, but if you are interchanging it, then H does not come. That's why the first one will not be answered. Fine. So the answer which is here is F for G. I think it is clear. Because out of F and G, one of them are certainly going to come. Look at this. So I can say they can interchange. You can replace anytime F with G. There is no such constraint given here. Fine, everyone. Sorry, it was B for C that was given. It was not given B to C. Fine. If A is always selected in the commit, in committee, it is always A who is going to be selected, who would definitely be selected in the committee. If A is selected, of course, the other one is D. D is always going to be selected there in committee. So I'll say the answer is D. I'm sure you can understand this. If A is always selected, how many ways can committee be selected? So how many ways if A is coming? These are 4 ways. Plus 2 is 6 ways I can select a committee. So answer is 6 ways. I hope you can see that first one. With A, 2 into 2, 4 and 1. 4 combinations are there. With here, it is 2 combination, 4 plus 2 is coming out to be 6. Fine. The number of different committee in which both C and D are present. Different committee in which both C and D are present. So I will say the different committee when the C and D are present, I'll say 4 are here and 2 are here. So how many committees are there? 6 committees are there where both of them are present. I believe it is clear. Is that fine? Have a look at this, ask me. Thank you. Anyone, any question?